Hey! Ọkwanụ nke a ka a na-akpọ okokovioko na karamado na ndị be anyị bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ nke nna anụ n'ihu akwụkwọ na gentle the yahoo na ndị uwe ojii jelu ya bụ ọrụ na fada ọkpọchọ na fa ejidere gentle the yahoo na fada ọkpọchọ na gentle yahoo na osokwe na ndị agbagburu na ife onunukwa a na-akọ n'ihu akwụkwọ ejikwa wee jide ya na ndụ wee kpụrụ ya wee jebe n'ogige ndị uwe ojii na nke ahụ bụkwa asị bịakwanụ ka unu gere ife onye isi ndị uwe ojii kwuru ebe a ma ndị jere ya bụ ọrụ ya ndị ọrụ agha ma ndị Enugu steeti ndị ọrụ agha so wee je ya bụ ọrụ ma ndị nke nọ n'Owere ndị ọrụ agha so wee je ya bụ ọrụ na ife a na-akọwazi kịta abụ na-akpọgo ndị vileji be gentle yahoo na-enwere ndị agbagburu agbagbu ka fa n'anya ebe ahụ ka a marụ na ozu gentle yahoo na oso wee dị na ya otu birigokwanụ nwekwe na ife mmadụ anyị anụfana n'ihu akwụkwọ ndị news pụtara wee dee mbụ ndị Sahara Reporter na-ejidere gentle yahoo ndị Punch News de na-ejidere gentle yahoo ejikwa wee wakpofa na ọkaigwe wee jide ya na ndụ wee gbagbuo ndị nwa hei nekwenụ okolo apụtakwa nsịkwa na m aya ekwu n'ọkwa na m ofo na ndị news dere ka m ji wee kwu ife nwa wee na-ezo na kọmentị ebe m mere ya bụ news ụfọdụ na-asị na ejidere gentle yahoo na o soghe na ndị ejide ọ dụkwa pọsịbụl n'ife a ndị mmadụ na-akọmentị na-asị na ejidere gentle yahoo ọ dụkwanụ pọsịbụl na ndị uwe ojii unu ya ege ka ọ ghara ịdụ ka ọmụ na-akọrọ unu bikonu na ụdọkwe ka m sikwa wee na-afụ ife a n'ihu akwụkwọ ma ndị na-asị na gentle yahoo a nwụrụ anwụ ka ọ dị ndụ bikonu odọkwanu ka ejide gentle yahoo bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ ndị ọrụ agha nche ndị amị jere ya bụ ọrụ ka unu n'ife akọrọ ebe a na ifefa na-akọkwa ebe a odosikwanụ m anya ife aba na-akọ bụkwa akụkọ ndị gwogwogwo hei na ndị ọrụ nchekwaba adọkwanụchọ na fa ejidere gentle yahoo ka ọ na fa ejideghị wee pụta n'ihu akwụkwọ wee buru n'izu a wee na-efegharị ebe niile na nke ọzọ bụkwa wụnafụ ndị a na-eje na kọmentị na-asị na gentle yahoo dị ndụ na-ejideghie na isi na-ejidere ya na gugosife ife akaebe nya vidio iji wee gosi na-ejide gentle yahoo nke bụkwa eziokwu bụ na o nwebekwa vidio ndị mmadụ fụrụ ijikwanụ wee gosi na-ejide gentle yahoo dama isi na ndị a na-akọmentị na-asị na ejideghị ya na nya bụ akụkọ ọbasị ọ dịkwa pọsịbụl n'eziokwu ikeri gentle yahoo a na-ekwu o buru Enugu steeti ka ọ nọ unu makwa na mgbe o megbu vidio ọ si na-enyere ya nsi na aja na osi na ọ nọ n'Enugu steeti bifo wee gbawuo ụmụazị taa onye mazi na ọ nọ na ọkaigwe nwa ka ọ nọ ebe ọzọ amakwọnụ m mana ọ dịkwa pọsịbụl na ejidekwa gentle yahoo maka ndị na-ejekwa anụ ọgụ na kọmentị na-asị na m ose ife mfụkwa n'ihu akwụkwọ ka m kọrọ unu anọkwọnụ m ebe ọ nọ wee mee ọkwa ife ndị news kwuru ka m kọrọ unu.
I know that his days are numbered. He will eventually be made to pay. If they know, once they identified his house, they had to go there. Yes, they went to his village, h0o village, and then entered this village through NATO on foot to make sure that they had the building surrounded to block any opportunity for him to escape. And his fighters were killed. Well, they are trying to identify him, whether he was one of the people killed. Okay. You know, since he summarily executed some youths who were part of his gang, many people had been worried that why should we have this kind of individual on the loose, taking lives and generally doing whatever pleased him. So, and we challenge the security agencies to deal with the matter. Yes. So, in the past, efforts had been made to capture him and bring him to justice. But this time around, the Nigerian Army 34 Division, 34 Brigade under 82 Division in Enugu. The 34 Brigade is based in Oweri. Okay. So they stormed his community, the community that is h0o. It's a village in Okigwe local government that shares boundary with Imo and Abia. It shares boundary with Abia and Anambra. And they went on foot. The soldiers trekked for close to 4 hours. No, they didn't want to use armored vehicles. They didn't pass. It was more like a commando mission. And they had his house surrounded. Then the strike team went in. Gentle's boys were firing from the ceiling, and our troops returned fire, open fire. And when they saw that the guys who were firing from the roof were not going to come down, those on the outer cordon continued to fire. The army had no choice but to set the building ablaze. Once the building was set ablaze, 2 females and 3 males jumped out of the building. They attempted to escape, but the army opened fire. There were still 3 persons left in the roof who refused to
surrender,
to come out. They remained there. One of them was his 2IC, who eventually jumped out and scaled the wall. But the troops fired on him. His 2IC, and the 2 females, the 2 women who were with them were also killed, as well as 2 males. But at this time, what I can report is that the soldiers recovered those 2 corpses of the male fighters, but they cannot confirm yet whether Gentle, the h0o, was one of the persons who were killed and confirmed in the incident. But villagers who have been under ceaseless harassment from him confirmed that his 2IC was dead. They are still trying to confirm whether the 2 other guys.
So we'll just wait as events.
Yes, we just have to wait and get confirmation. But we know that there was a big operation involving the Nigerian army, the surface troops who entered this community through NATO village and had his house surrounded. No escape for him. It's possible that he's one of the dead, but they are in the process of confirming that, and it's possible that he found a way to escape. We cannot say categorically at this time. In the fullness of time, the true situation will be confirmed, and the Nigerian army will be able to tell us that this is the situation. They can confirm that Gentle, the h0o, has been killed, but we have to wait. In situations like this, post-operation examinations, are being conducted in the whole area to know maybe even he suffered injuries and succumbed to his injuries. We don't know yet. But the army is urging patience at this time so that they can confirm to us whether indeed he was one of the people who were killed in that operation. But kudos to our troops for the sacrifice, walking on foot right up to his village, so that they will not know that they were coming, because in the past they used armor tanks and all that. The rumbling of tanks sometimes by the enemy, that look, the enemy, that the army come around, they try to surprise him by going on foot. So it was a very brave effort on the part of our troops. And as I always say, no man is bigger than the Nigerian state. If Gentle, the h0o, survives this, I know that his days are numbered. He will eventually be made to pay for his crimes to his village, h0o village, and then entered this village through NATO on foot to make sure that they had the building surrounded to block any opportunity for him to escape. And his fighters were killed. Well, they are trying to identify him, whether he was one of the people.